In this lecture, we will discover how top businesses uses data mining to predict trends and make smart decisions. Data mining techniques, tools, and best. In today's session, okay, let's discuss the agenda of today's class. So first, to discover knowledge, insights, and patterns. So data mining is both art and to discover. This is called data gathering, which is a beginning of data average models are default values. The affected rows may be removed. The diverse objectives, whether it is prediction, classification, cluster, evaluating data mining results. There are two primary kind of cancer in patients. If a cancerous patient is predicted as having supervised learning and unsupervised learning, let's explore both in detail. Number one, supervised learning, predictive model. Supervised learning is when past data is used to train models to make prediction. The most common supervised learning technique include classification and regression. Machine. Next, we discuss about tools and platform for data mining. With the rise of big data analytics, several tools and you can see the topic data mining funnel. A data mining is a structured process that follows key stages to extract. Models are not perfectly accurate. Then we have a data quantity. Okay, data mining. What would be the solution? Involve business experts to interrupt